Hello guys, and welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video I will be showing you how you could convert a PDF file into an Excel. So this is our PDF file. Let's open it. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 5 parts of data and I would like to have it opened or converted to Excel. To do that, I will go back to my PDF, click with the right button of the mouse, select Open With, and click Choose Another Application. Once done, open or click the arrow and select Word. Click OK, and you will have to wait. Once done, you will see that it has been converted into a Word document. So all what you will have to do, click on these arrows here to select everything, click Copy, open your Excel file or your Excel application, open blank workbook and click Ctrl V to paste. Once done, you can just remove wrap text and you will be able to see your data correctly. You can work with this data, and once done you can save it under another name. You can always go ahead and click the Word file if you haven't edited any data. Thank you guys for watching, and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.